What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from NewLennoxWarehouse.com. We're the place that sells the ATVs, golf carts, go-karts, scooters, dirt bikes, and lots of appliances. So if you're in need of an appliance or you know somebody that needs appliances, stop on by here today. We're open today, which is Friday. We're open tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday, 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. every single day of the week, including Saturday and Sunday. So again, if you're in need of a washer, dryer, dishwasher, stove, microwave, whatever it may be, give us a call if you have any questions. Phone number here is 866-606-3991. We're going to get you guys some good deals on some appliances. Got all kinds of refrigerators, over 300 in stock, okay? Over 300 refrigerators alone in stock to serve you better. Everything we sell comes with a warranty. Look, as you can see, it's got the nice plastic on there. Everything's brand new in the packaging there. Comes with handles. Everything that we sell, Whirlpool brand. We'll sell Frigidaire. So many different brands in stock, ready to go. LG. So many different. KitchenAid as well. Call us right now. You've got the plastic wrap on it. You've got the packaging. And also, you'll get your ComEd $50 rebate right there. Call us right now. Again, so many different sizes. We got small, we've got big, we've got black, we've got white, we've got stainless, we've got black stainless. You name it, we have it. Washers, dryers, dishwashers, stoves, everything you can imagine. And again, all you got to do is stop on by here today. Again, NewLennoxWarehouse.com. You can see some more images and photos. We also sell the golf carts, the go-karts, the scooters, the dirt bikes, the ATVs, the UTVs, and we can customize the golf carts as well. So again, if you're looking for appliances or motorsports, we've got them in stock. Little kids ATVs, little kids dirt bikes, junior size, adult size, all the different sizes we've got in stock ready to go that you could come by, pick up today, share this post. Also, if your fridge conked out or you need a laundry center, stop on by right now today. 1333 South Schoolhouse Road, New Lenox, Illinois. Tons of appliances. You can, cash and carry. We also accept credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, and Discover. And then you can also pay with, finance too. So again, if you're coming by, again, come ready to, make a deal with us. We've got a lot of different items. We will make an offer on some of them. You can come and make an offer, and we will be much cheaper than anywhere else you can even think of. The big box stores will blow anyone's price out of the water. So if you're in need of a refrigerator, stove, microwave, dishwasher, any type of appliance at all whatsoever, and you're not super picky, stop on by. Some stuff may have a ding, may have a little bit of a dent on it, but you're going to save huge. And again, sometimes the stickers that we have as far as the pricing goes, we'll even go lower than that. All you got to do is come up to the front desk and say, hey, you know what? I saw this elsewhere, or what can you do for me? I'm a landlord, or you know what? I've bought from you in the past. We'll make a deal for you, and we'll get you guys the best deal possible. And again, if you need a fridge, you need a stove, whatever it is, stop on by. If you need washers, dryers, we've got them in stock right now. And again, everything that we do sell is either new, used, or reconditioned. But again, the pricing is going to be smoking. So you're going to save lots of money. So again, $269 for a nice Frigidaire, white, brand new. The thing's brand new. Check it out. Brand new. It's got a factory tags in it. So there you go. $399. I'll go ahead and take this price, and I'll cut it down. I'll go lower than that, okay? I'll go cheaper and lower. You guys need, we've got some freezers here up as well, the upright freezer. Come on by, stop on by. If you're looking to buy multiple, we'll go ahead and even go a little bit lower for you. So again, 1333 South Schoolhouse Road, New Lenox, Illinois. I know, obviously, you guys are from the area. If you know these beautiful green walls, it's going to cost me too much money to paint them a different cool color, so we left them the green color. But anyways, you guys get a better deal since I don't have to, fix the color of the paint. But anyways, it's the old Panduit facility in New Lenox, Illinois. Stop on by today. The address here, again, 1333 South Schoolhouse Road, New Lenox, Illinois. Again, any questions, call us. 866-606-3991. We're ready to go. We've got stuff in stock right now. Everything comes with a warranty. Some stuff will come with 30 days. Some stuff, actually, I don't think I have anything that'll come with a 30-day. Everything now is going to come with either a 90-day, 6-month, or a full 1-year factory manufacturer warranty. So again, We'll warranty everything. We'll make sure that we're cheaper. And you know, if you guys have any issues, deals, or anything like that you need to come see us. 1333 South Schoolhouse Road, New Lenox, Illinois. And guess what? If I'm not here and you come over by on the weekend and I'm out, well, you can see one of our sales staff here, no problem. They'll go ahead and greet you and take you along, and we'll make sure that we get you a great deal. They'll simply make a phone call to me on the phone, and if it's something that we can't handle over the phone, I'll talk to you personally, no problem. You can call us right now. Phone number here, again, 866-606-3991. Over 300 refrigerators in stock, ready to go, ready, again, you might get a ding here, a dent there, and I've seen people, post about us online or on Facebook a little bit and asking questions and stuff, saying it's dark and dungeony, and looking old and stuff like that. But, again, you're getting a dirt cheap price, okay? Keep that in mind. And again, if I were to sit here and put all kinds of crazy things in here to make it a lot nicer, well, then guess what? The pricing would not be as low as it is, all right? So, again, I got to run. I got other things going on. But, again, stop on by right now. We got a huge deal going on for you for today, tomorrow, and Sunday. Again, 1333 South Schoolhouse Road, New Lenox, Illinois. That is our address. We'll see you real soon.